Hello everyone and welcome to Smart Repricer Basic Learning Series. Today we are going to demonstration how we can upload our products via Excel file or how you can move your inventory from the other repricer by using our uploads feature. So from Smart Repricer dashboard, let's get click listing tab and let's get click uploads page. So there are three steps. One, we are going to create our template together, and then we are going to look at our data, which specific the terms that we need to upload. And also the third step will be upload and process. And the last step, we are going to see how is our upload process will goes. Okay, first of all, in the first step, we can create blank templates or we can create inventory templates. What are the difference in here? If you create blank template, it's going to be blank. So you can copy paste all of your inventory to this Excel file and you can upload from the third section. Or you can also create inventory templates, which is the current ASIN with the current screen formation, current strategies and prices. If you would like to make re-edits for some of your products at the moment, you can also create your inventory templates. So first of all, let's talk about the rules. There are some rules before copy and paste your product and before uploads. But first, you can create blank templates or you can create inventory templates. Let's get re-edit our templates and let's click to create inventory lab together, and report generation has been started. And then the generation template is on its way. At the meantime, let's click our Excel files. And also let's share the Excel file one more time. Okay, once we download our current template, we are going to see the instructions, data definitions, and sample. This is one of the sample, for instance, that you can give your product name, marketplace, your ASIN, fulfillment type, list price. Even if you would like to make additional shipping costs or additional costs, you can give your additional costs from here. Or you can also would like to give additional information. You can even give your map price and also stock information from here. So, okay, once we have downloaded our products, and let's see one more time, what are the rules in here to go back to Smart Repricer before upload process. So I created my templates, and as you can see, we'll look at the templates, but there are some rules. Before submit or before upload our products, we need to make sure that some of the things that needs to be matched, such as marketplace matching. What does that mean? If you are uploading your products to your USA accounts, you need to choose USA Marketplace, Amazon.com, or column structure, reference fields, protected fields, or file format. It should be Excel format is accepted. So one more time, let's go back to Excel file and let's see how will be the correct implementation. So as you can see, when I have downloaded my current inventory template, as you can see, my product name, ASIN, SUKU, my cost current, my cost, shipping costs. So if I would like to re-edit all of my inventory one more time, I can give different numbers and I can submit one more time. If I would like to change my strategy name, all I have to do that the right to existing strategy name, repricer, additional costs, minimum price, all of the information is available if you would like to share Smart Repricer. Okay, let's go back to Smart Repricer one more time to uploads page, because now we know what are the upload rules, that additional costs if I would like to add, or file format, the marketplace matching. If I make sure everything is correct, let's continue with the third section. So first of all, let's upload our file. And let's choose this one. Yes. And once the upload process is begun, the system is going to tell you processing. But the good thing is that once this process has ended, the system, the Smart Repricer will tell you completed. If is there any error, it's going to give you the error, or successful operations, the warnings or errors. It's just basically when you submit your all uploaded products, the system will tell you is completed success, or if there are any error that you would like to make, you can also read it one more time. So when we are waiting that upload process completed, let's repeat one more time how you can upload your products from the zero or how you can move your inventory from the other repricer. So for an instance, if you want to move your inventory from the other repricers, just click create blank templates and copy and paste all of the necessary information from the other repricer to our templates and then uploads. Once this has completed, one more time, system will tell you the system has been completed and successfully uploaded. So let's get edit one more time. And as you can see on this one, we have given one example. For instance, the system tells you zero success, zero warning, or zero error. So all you have to do if you are receiving any error or if you are receiving any warning, that you can also download the file, re-edit, and you can upload one more time. But it's just basically it's going to take only 5 minutes to upload all of your products via upload feature. One more time, you can move all of your inventory from the other repricers if you would like to use create blank templates. But if you want to read your current product information, all you have to do is that create inventory templates. That's all. Upload feature is speed up all of your marketplace settings in very fast. And don't forget, we have a lot of educational video will coming up very soon.